Over the next few days, we're making all of the TubeBuddy plans 30% off. But not only that, if you purchase a yearly license, you're also going to get access to a special course. Over the years, we've worked with a ton of creators. Although you're passionate about making videos, you love scripting, you love writing, maybe you don't, but at the end of the day, you consistently make videos, but sometimes those videos that you spend so much time on just don't get any views. And one of the biggest reasons why that happens is because honestly, your title and thumbnail just aren't enticing people to click. So that's why we partnered with Dan the Creator to give you the Thumbnail Mastery course. This course is going to help you turn all of your hard work into views by teaching you how to craft compelling titles and thumbnails for all of your YouTube videos. So not only are you going to get a huge discount to TubeBuddy, you also get access to this course. So think about it, click the link in the description if you're interested, and until next time, y'all, keep creating.